So let's create a new project. It will be Agora one-to-one video call web app. So first we will create a new folder and we'll rename it to Agora one-to-one video call. Then I will open it with Visual Studio Code. To that root directory I will add two folders. One will be for the JavaScript, another will be for CSS for styling, and in the root directory I will add index.html file. In CSS folder I will add style.css file. In JS folder I will add JavaScript file script.js, and in index.html we will have that HTML code. So let's start with HTML first. Let's type HTML and select that HTML file. Change it title to Agora one-to-one video call. Here I will add a link to Bootstrap, Jquery and Font Avicem library. So let's add that library first. Let's open that Chrome browser, search for Bootstrap 5 CDN link, then Jquery link, and also that Font Avicem icon library link. So open that link, and from W3 School we will get that CDN link. So copy it. This is the main CSS file for Bootstrap. I will paste it here in the head tag. Then also click on this link, and here I will copy that Jquery library link. So I recommend the Jquery link and paste that Jquery script link. So next we will add that Font Avicem icons library. So click on that link, copy that tag, and we will paste it in the head tag. So first we will add a comment, Font Avicem icon library, and below the comment we will add that link to that Font Avicem icon library. So next we will add a comment, and we will add a link to that style.css file in the CSS directory. So add a link, CSS and style.css. Here we will add a link to that script file in the JS directory. So JS and script.js. Next we will add Agora Sdk link. I have that link to that Agora Sdk file, but I will download it and press Ctrl S, and I will move to that project directory. And here in JS directory I will save that file. So our Agora Sdk file has downloaded, and we will add a link to that Agora Sdk file in the JS directory. So cut it from here and paste it above that script.js file link. So now let's build UI for that Agora one-to-one video call. So with the help of live preview extension, I will open that UI in the sidebar. We will add a class to that div tag. Display type will be flex. Justify content will be center. Width will be 100%. Padding will be P2. Inside that div tag, we will add another div tag. Inside that div tag, we will add 3 other div tags. So add a class here. Display type will be flex. Justify content will be center, and that position will be relative. Here I will add a class, and the display type of it will be flex. Justify content will be center, and will be of type rounded, and position will be absolute. Now let's copy that style and add a class to this and paste it here. So I will add a new class here, local. I will add ID remote to that below, and to the about div tag I will add ID of a local. So with the help of that local class and remote class we will apply some style. So type local. So the width of that local will be 80 pixels, and the height of that will be 80 pixels. Apply background color. From top it will be 15 pixels, and from right it will be 15 pixels. Now to that remote, provide width of 600 pixels, height of 600 pixels, apply background color, and we will change it to that. Above local class we will add z-index, and z-index will be equal to 1. So back to that index.html file, and from that div we will remove that position as absolute. Now refresh it, and now it looks good. So we will apply some shadow effect to that remote div and local div. So we will add some icons: video camera icon, microphone icon, and that plug icon. So we can join with the help of that plug icon. So from the parent div we will remove the display type flex and justify content center so that the icon appear below. Apply some padding and a shadow effect. So now let's open it in the file explorer and open it with Chrome, and this is the UI we have built. So to that remote div we will add some round effect. So we will add a class of rounded. In the next tutorial we will take a start with JavaScript. So in script.js file we will create a new variable of type constant config, and config will be of type list. Mode will be RTC, and codec will be VP8. Then create a new constant variable options. In that option we will have app ID, channel, and the token. So let's create another constant variable RTC of type list, and in the list we will have that client, and it will be null. Local video track will be null, and that local audio track will be null. Then back to index.html file. For that camera icon we will add ID of btn camera. Copy that ID and paste it here and change it to btn mic. So change it above to button cam, and also add ID to that plug icon, button plug. Then back to script.js file, and we will create a constant variable of btn cam, and we will get that icon in variable. So copy many times and change it to button mic, change it to button plug. This should be remote and this should be local. Then let's create a synchronous function. And the function will be start one-to-one video call. So on plug icon we will set call to that start one-to-one video call function. So type here RTC client, it will be equal to Agora RTC dot create, and to that create client we will pass that constant variable config. Then type RTC dot client dot join, and to join we will pass option dot ID, option dot channel, and option dot token, and it can be null, and it should be of type await as it is asynchronous function. So here we will add that app ID and channel name. So the channel name will be code5 and the token will be null, and also paste your app ID here. Then open it in your browser, click on that plug icon, and joining that code5 channel will be success. So in style.css file type .fa, .fas, apply a font size of 32. padding will be 10 pixel and 25 pixel. And here in that icon block, add a class and display type will be flex, justify content will be center. Now back to the script file. Create constant variable join, and to that join we will pass asynchronous anonymous function, and let's copy that code and paste it in join. So in asynchronous function start one-to-one video call, type join.then, and in then we will pass function. After joining the channel successfully, we will get access to that user video camera and to that user microphone. Add two functions here, start video and start audio. So here we will create a constant variable start video, and it will be equal to asynchronous anonymous function. In that asynchronous function, type rtc.local video track, and it will be equal to Agora RTC.create video camera track. Type rtc.client.publish, and to it we will pass rtc.local video track. So let's try. Click on that plug icon, and we have a type error, join.then is not a function. So let's fix it. Here should be that parenthesis. Now let's try again. Refresh it. Click on that plug icon, and we have another type error. Agora RTC.create video camera is not a function. So let's fix it. And this should be Agora RTC.create camera video track. So here type rtc.local video track.play, and to that play we will pass local, which is ID of a division tag, and here we should add await as it is asynchronous function. So let's try again. Reload it, and now click on that plug icon, and we are getting permission to that user camera, and that local user video track will appear in the local division tag. So let's get access to user microphone. So below it, create a constant variable start audio. It will be equal to asynchronous anonymous function. Type rtc.local audio track equal to await Agora RTC.create microphone with audio track. Then type rtc.client.publish, and to publish we will pass rtc.local audio track. Below it, type rtc.audio track.play. So let's reload it. Click on that plug icon, and we are getting permission to that user camera. Also we are getting that permission to user microphone, and let's allow it. So we have successfully joined the code.py channel, and our local video stream is appearing in the local division tag. So let's get rid of that scrolling. So back to that style.css file, and let's decrease that height and width to 500 pixels of that remote division tag. So refresh it, and it's perfect now. Now let's back to that script.js file. Type rtc.client.on, and here we will pass that user-publish, and here we will have asynchronous function. And to that asynchronous we will pass user and media type. So type here rtc.client.subscribe, and to that subscribe we will pass user and media type. Now let's add a if condition. Type here media type, and it will, if it is equal to video, and if the media type is equal to video, we will publish that remote user video track in the remote division tag. So create constant variable remote video track, which will be equal to user.video track, and below it type remote video track.play, and to play we will pass that remote division tag ID, and below it add another if condition. This should be media type. So if the media type is equal to audio, we will play that remote user audio. So create a constant variable remote audio track, which will be equal to user.audio track. So below it type remote audio track dot play. Now let's try. Refresh it. Click on that plug icon. Allow it. And in another tab, reload it. Click on that plug icon. Allow it. And our both local and remote stream has appeared. Now let's add some padding to that remote user div and local user div. Reload it. Click on that plug icon. Allow it. And also in the another tab, click on that plug icon and allow it. And now it's look good. Now reload it and reload it. Now back to that script.js file. We will add here if condition. In braces type rtc.client._users.length greater than 1. Then type rtc.client.leave remote.html. Into HTML we will have that div tag. Class of that div will be remote message. Inside that room message div we will have paragraph tag, and the class of that paragraph tag will be full, and enter some text here. The text will be please wait, room is full, and type here return. So if the number of users in that channel are greater than 2, we will leave that channel, and to that remote tag we will add a text please wait, room is full, and after that we will return so that the remote user is unable to join the channel. Now let's try. Reload it, copy that and paste it here. Then click on that plug icon, allow it. Here allow it, and that local stream has appeared, but we are getting type error, cannot read property of undefined. So we are trying to access some undefined variable. Let's fix it, and this should be users, not user. Now let's try again. Reload it, click on that plug icon, allow it, and here click on that plug icon and allow it. So our local and remote stream has appeared. So now the room is full. Now let's check in the third tab. Reload it, click on that plug icon, and the text please wait, room is full appears, and our local stream has appeared, but actually we are not joining the channel, we are in the waiting list. So let's apply some style to that message. So inspect it, click on that full. The font size will be 24 pixels. Background color will be white. Apply some padding. Add a border radius of 5 pixels. Copy these all declarations, and in style.css type .full, and in braces we will paste that style. Now back to that Chrome tab, click on that room message and apply some style to that. Display will be flex, align item will be center. Let the width will be equal to 100%. Height will be equal to 100%, and justify content will be center. So let's add a background color. When the room is full, that background should change. So copy all the declaration in style.css file, type .room message, and in braces paste that style. Now let's reload it. Reload this tab and this tab. Now click on that plug icon, allow it and allow it. Also click on this, and our local and remote stream will be appear. And in the third tab, if we click on that plug icon, that background color will be changed, and we will get a message of please wait, room is full. So we have successfully implemented one-to-one video call. Now if I refresh that tab and refresh that tab and click on that plug icon and allow it, now this tab will join the stream. And here if I reload it, and in this step if I click on the plug icon, I will get that message and the background will be changed. So our one-to-one video call is working perfectly. Now let's add the toggling effect to that button. Now in next tutorial we will add toggling effect to that icon buttons. So back to that script.js file, type button came.click, and in this click we will have function, and in this function we will have if condition, and in this if condition parenthesis we will have $this.hasClass, and we will check for that icon class. Copy that class and paste it here, and let add also else. Now let's check for that mute camera icon. Now let's copy this class. Here I will add $this.add a class. Into that add a class we will pass this icon name in string form. Then copy that and paste it and change that add a class to remove class. And from that button came we will remove this class and copy this and paste it in else condition. But in else condition it will be reversed. In else condition we will change that mute camera icon to unmute camera icon. So cut this and paste it here. Also cut this and paste this in add class. Now back to that index.html file, remove this, and our toggling for camera is now working. Now let's copy this and paste it here and add a command here, toggle microphone, and also add a command here, toggle join and leave. Here in that toggle microphone we will change these classes. So back to that index.html file, and here search for that mute microphone icon. Copy this class, back to script.js file, select that class and will replace it, and also copy that unmute microphone class, back to that script file, select that and paste it here. Now back to that index.html and let's remove that, and it's not working. Refresh it, still not working, and let's change that button came to button mic. So now it's working. Now let's do it for plug, change it to button plug, and for that come here and I will search for close icon. I will add that window close icon. So copy this icon class, select this class and paste it here. Back to that index.html file, copy that plug icon class, back to script.js file and paste it here. Now let's remove that close window icon, and now the plug icon is toggling successfully. Now back to that script.js file, copy this, remove this, and let's paste it here. In here we will type RTC client.leave. So when we press that close window icon, the user should leave the channel. Now let's refresh it, click on that icon, and we will get permission to that user camera and microphone, and joining the channel will be successful. And now if I click on that close window icon, we will leave that channel, and we have leave the channel successfully. But that user camera and microphone will not be muted as we have not set functionality for it. So let's set functionality for it. So let's type constant stop video, which will be equal to asynchronous anonymous function. Type rtc.localvideotrack.close, then copy it and paste it and change that close to stop. Below that type rtc.client.unpublish, and to that unpublish we will pass rtc.localvideotrack. And here in else, below that RTC client.lib, we will add that stop video. Now let's try. Click on that plug icon, allow it. Now if we click on that close window icon, we will leave the channel successfully and our local video track will be stopped and removed. Now let's add a function for stop microphone. So type const stop audio and it will be arrow function, and type rtc.localAudioTrack.close. Copy this and paste. Change that close to stop, and below type rtc.client.unpublish, and to unpublish we will pass rtc.localAudioTrack. So here in else we will also add a stop audio function. Now let's try. Click on that plug icon, allow that, and now if I click on that close icon, we will leave the channel and our local video track and audio track will be removed. Now let's copy that and paste it. Change that remove class to CSS, and to that CSS we will pass the property and its value. So in quotation type color, set the color to red. We will move this to if condition. So cut it from here and paste it there. Paste it here and change it to black. Let's paste it here and here. Change it to black. Add it here and here and change it to black. Now with toggling, the icon color will be changed to black and red. So in button came if condition, we will add here stop video, and in else condition we will add start video. Also here in button mic, if condition we will add stop audio, and in else condition we will add start audio. So back to the browser. Now if we click on that plug icon, our icon will be changed to close window icon, and the color will be changed from black to red, and our local stream will appear. Now if we click on that microphone icon, we can toggle that. Now let's check the whole functionality. In the first step, we will click on that plug icon and we will join the local stream, and the icon color will be changed. In second step, now let's click on that plug icon. The icon color will be changed and our local stream and remote stream will appear. Now in third step, if we click on that plug icon, our icon color will be changed. We will get permission to that user camera and microphone, and we will get a message, please wait, room is full, and that background color will be changed. And now if we click on that close window icon, we will leave that channel. Now if we click again on that plug icon, we will be unable to join the channel as the room is already full. So we have successfully built the Agora one-to-one video call web app.